Today, guys, we are going to be talking about the weather for the next few days, for the next 3 days for Ohio, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, Florida, and more across the coast and the plains. And that's and for some tornado, hail, wind, and wind probabilities for the next 3 days. And we are going to be doing a live stream at 8, which you can see right beside me. I don't know which way it is. I think it's this way or this way. But I don't know. I know it's not below me, but I think it's right here. Um, go click that. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's over here. Go. No, it's over here, right? If I'm right, it's over here, and I'm streaming at 8 o'clock. It should say that I'm streaming at 8 o'clock. It should say what we're doing today on this live stream too. Yeah. Um, that's really it for our starter intro, and goodbye for the start intro. Just as I said in the intro, we are going to be talking about the weather outlooks and the radar for right now, and also on our live stream if there is any bad storms. For right now, we have this 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 general thunderstorm risk. This is day one convective outlook. No major changes have been in, no major changes have been made to this outlook. Blah blah blah. Issued 10:55 a.m. CDT Monday, October 6th, 2025. And that's today, as you can see over here. A large upper trough will move across central Canada and northern plains today, with an associated surface cold front extending from the western Great Lakes region into the southern plains. Dew points in the 50s to lower 60s in vicinity of front, coupled with pockets of strong heating. So that means we are going to be seeing some pretty good storms from this from over here on the Great Lakes in Wisconsin, Michigan, and more. A little bit of Colorado too. I forgot about that. Over here, just over here in the plains, over here on the coast. Yeah, over here in Arkansas, Texas. Oh, this is including a lot of states and a lot of people actually. I don't know how many people because it did not say actually. But in our stream we will have a camera in the corner. I don't know which corner it'll show up on the streaming. But yeah. For day two, we do have another pretty good outlook for the plains. But which for Kansas, Oklahoma, and wait, and over here, we have a outlook, and over here, and we have an outlook. So basically, this side and that side, right here, this part, it should say including. Yep, area in miles, 17.2 thousand, and population 75.9 thousand, and affected grants in Stockrow in truth or consequences in day two convective outlook blah, blah. New Mexico Tuesday afternoon. So that's oh yeah, forgot New Mexico is there. And over here and over here. So still a little bit of Arkansas, just like we saw on day one. Just a little bit of Arkansas and just a little bit of Arkansas. But we do have a marginal risk for tomorrow. But today we did not have a marginal risk. But for day three, it's literally just the coast and New Mexico, Colorado, Arizona, a little bit of Texas, Los Angeles, a little bit of Florida too. Yeah. that's really it the for the outlooks. If we go to tornado outlooks for day one, we have nothing, and for day two, we have nothing. So wind, day one and day two, no data. Hail, I mean, we have no data on day one, but day two, we do have a 5% hail risk over here in New Mexico. But yeah, um, and that's really it for the outlooks. For the radar for right now, we do have some ongoing storms right now. Let's go to satellite instead, so we can see the clouds. For for Arkansas, we already have some storms that are blowing up. For New Mexico, we have a severe thunderstorm warning, right? Yeah, new severe thunderstorm warning. Hail 1 inch, 60-mile-per-hour winds, radar indicated, and there's a lot of clouds. Also, over here we do have a tropical disturbance, but they are thinking it's going to turn away from the U.S. and go back into the North Atlantic Ocean. But yeah, um for everywhere. Oh, oh, I forgot about over here. We do have two special weather statements. One has hail 0.25 inches, and we have and 0.50 inches with 40-mile-per-hour winds and 40-mile-per-hour winds. So both with 40, and a severe thunderstorm warning in Michigan. The severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado is very possible. No, it just says possible. Hail 7.75 inches, and radar indicated wind 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated, and expires in 29 minutes. And also and that's really it for watches and warnings. But there is going to be a lot of rain for the next few days. But we are going to be talking about that on our stream. The models right for right now is New Mexico. We have a storm in Kansas, Oklahoma, Iowa. These are some storms that have been out for a few hours now. Yeah, this right here is the biggest storm of today. It's reaching out three, no, almost, yeah, almost five states, and that's actually crazy. But yeah, and for the radar for right now, yeah, but outlooks again for some more. Let's put a snowfall 4 inches. Yeah, snowfall for day one, day two, and day three. Blah blah blah. We ain't having snowfall yet. Temperature. Yes, we do have to talk about this temperature. But so right now for this blue right here, 70% chance below normal temperature, and over here, this 80% chance above normal temperature. From 8 to 14 day, over here, 40% chance below normal temperature, and over here in Texas, which is the highest, and for no over here, 60% chance of above normal temperature from week 3 to 4. Washington, 33% chance of below normal temperature, and over here in Texas and Florida, 50% chance of above normal temperature. And yeah, for precipitation, that's where it comes. From day 6 to 10, a 70% chance of above normal precipitation, and chance of below normal precipitation. Um, Arizona